Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm making a crock-pot beef and vegetable soup. Now this is a cozy comfort food that's full of veggies. Plus, it's really easy to make since it's all done in a crock-pot. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need a large crock-pot. Mine is 6 quarts in size, and the recipe fills it up pretty full, so you want to make sure your crock-pot is big enough. Now, first thing we're going to add is 3 cups of either shredded cabbage or coleslaw mix like I'm using. Then add 2 pounds of stew beef chunks, 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 pound of baby carrots, 1 large onion that has been diced or cut into chunks, 1 peeled potato that has been diced or cut into chunks, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 beef bouillon cubes, 1 15.25 ounce can of corn that has been drained, 1 14.5 ounce can of green beans drained, 1 10-ounce can of tomato soup, and then fill the tomato soup can up with water and then pour it in, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 3 cups of water. Now stir this together well. I forgot the lima beans. Add 1 15.25 ounce can of lima beans that have been drained. Then stir this together. Now just cover it and cook it on high for about 6 to 8 hours or on low for 10 to 12 hours. And here it is, delicious crock-pot beef and vegetable soup. And this soup freezes really well. For this recipe and many more, check out the website. This is a cozy comfort food that is full. Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. Hi.